Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare E-Trade with Merrill Edge. The first thing I'm going to talk about is what I actually recommend for you to use and when you should use E-Trade or Merrill Edge. Then I'm going to look on the fees, trading platform, like how it actually feels to use E-Trade or Merrill Edge, customer support, etc. So let's just start. Now, I would personally use Merrill Edge for long-term investing and also to ETFs or stock trading. I wouldn't personally use it if I want to day trade. I would possibly go with the TD Ameritrade or Robinhood because you get also free options there. And use Merrill Edge if you have also account in Bank of America because you're going to get a lot of benefits. When you would come here to the Bank of America rewards, you can see it right here that if you get 50 to 100k or 100k plus, you can get cashbacks. You can for groceries, also for gas, you can see right here out loan discount, and really great. But if you have combined account of 100k with Bank of America and Merrill Edge, you're going to get a lot of benefits also if you're traveling. So this is a huge thing and huge advantage Bank of America has with Merrill Edge. Also, it's really important that you need to have $20,000 on qualifying accounts combined with Merrill Edge and Bank of America to have the free stock and exchange traded fund ETFs. So this is the most important thing from the video right now I'm saying to you. Then when we look on the fees, Merrill Edge got 0.65 for options, for one option. But it's important to say again that if you have a lot of money on your account, you can discuss and challenge this fee, and so the customer support could put it lower for your account. So test it out. If you're gonna have like 50, 70, 80k on your account, test if you want to trade with options. Write to support if you can get lower because you have a lot of money account. Maybe they will put it lower for you too. Now, on account recommending is fast for digital, no minimum deposit. Trading platform is all right, but personally I wouldn't use it on long-term. On short-term investing. I would go with Robinhood or even E-Trade. E-Trade, on the other hand, also with the fees, they offer free stock and ETF. When you're gonna open also with the checking account, I think you get like free ATM withdrawals with E-Trade. The one advantage is also like 0.65 for options. Deposit and withdrawal trading platform seems okay also for web and mobile. When we look on what they actually offer from the standpoint of markets and products, E-Trade also offers crypto and futures if you want to invest into that. Customer support is great on both. You get live support, you get phone support, but sometimes on E-Trade it's slow. They're both safe from safety standpoint, and both got banking background, so they're really similar. I mean, these comparison videos are hard to make because if you're going to choose E-Trade or Merrill Edge, you're not going to make a mistake. They both offer you free like ETF and stock trading, but there are like those small things that can be beneficial for you. So Merrill Edge is really great if you have Bank of America. E-Trade is good on its own, and investing through E-Trade is okay. But again, I don't know if I would use it for day trading. For advanced day trading, I would go with interactive brokers or Thinkorswim or Robinhood. But for just long-term investing and monthly investing, E-Trade and Merrill Edge are great. So thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.